Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to part 2 of the Frontrunner ladder and Frontrunner roof rack. So last video when I was painting it all up with bed liner, I was saying things like front liner, bed rack, and I have no idea what I was saying. I think I hit my head somewhere. Maybe I got COVID. I'm not really sure. Anyway, so yeah, I am wearing a Christmas hat. Don't worry, it's not yet Christmas, but I was here yesterday for the first part, for making the first part of this video. And yeah, I had this gray beanie on, my favorite beanie. And I lost it. I have no idea where it went. Maybe still be in the Suzuki Jimny. So for today, I'm wearing a Christmas hat. I hope you don't mind. So in today's video, I really hope the bed liner is dry so we can put the roof rack and the ladder on. I really hope it's dry. Yeah, I moved it all in yesterday. Was gonna leave it outside, but I couldn't. It started like raining just a little bit, so I had to take it all inside. Oh boy. As you can tell, I can hold it, so it's pretty dry. It's not hardened all the way through, so gotta be a little bit careful. It takes about 24, like 48 hours, and it's been like, I don't know, 20 hours, 16 hours or something, and it already came back. So it is dry. Is it black? No, it's dry. So still have to wait a couple of hours before it really hardens out, but you can already mount it to the car. It's gonna be a good day. So yeah, first of all, we got the roof rack ready, we got the ladder ready. Gonna start with the ladder, because when I don't have a ladder, I can't go onto the roof. As for the ladder, it's pretty easy. Get that bolt off, get that part off, open the door, hang the ladder over the door, attach everything, tighten that thing up, tighten that one up, I mean that one, and set go. If you're not really sure how to get these off, just open your door and just push them out from the inside, so you don't damage anything. Easy as that. I mean, these Jimnys, they were built so easily, and it's not that hard to do it yourself. The fun part about having a car like this, you can do everything yourself without any trouble. God dang it. God dang it. I taped the part off that has to go over the door because, well, that bed liner stuff, that thing is hard as a rock, and everything you do not want to, well, cover in that stuff, put some tape on it. Yep. Neato. Ladder installed. Now I'm like a 75 to 80 kilogram man, and I'm pretty scared. It's time to get on the ladder. Also, bear in mind that I'm a little bit handicapped still again with my knee, you know. Not really sure if this is going to work, but... Oh boy. Ow, ow, ow. Ow, ow, ow. Like, I mean, I'm not going to use this daily, but it does the job. Roof rack. Oh yeah, before I forgot, I got the rubbers out to put my feet on. So I gotta put the rubbers back in first and then roof rack. Rubbers, roof rack. Now, I really like how this is turning out, but now I notice that the Suzuki and the Jimny all grip is like chrome. I really don't like chrome, so I should have taken the badges off, and I should have bed linered those too. Yeah. Dang it. Now, don't worry, I'm not going to bed liner the entire Jimny, I just want to bed liner some details. Like, not too much. Too much bed liner, no bueno. Just line it tiny bit, tiny bit. And now I am just attaching all of these brackets. So we got 3 brackets, and well, there is something that really boggles my mind. So if I put that one on there and that one on the end, I got 2 slabs over here and 3 slabs over there. Now, I'm pretty sure I have autism or something like that, but I really have a problem when something is not symmetric. Like that really bothers me, you know? Almost forgot to install the wind deflectors for, well, if you're doing like 200 and 250 kilometers an hour on the highway with your Jimny, you gotta guide that wind. And that also really bothers me on the Super Adventure R, because if you look at it from the back, with the exhaust, this part is like way over there, and that part is like over there. So, I mean, it does the job, but I mean, it is disgusting. It's probably me, I don't know, but I really don't like it. So, loosely, get all the brackets on. It's 6 brackets for the big Jimny roof rack. Now, the only problem I have right now is I have to get it on. It's best to have a friend. Well, I don't have any friends. So, hallelujah, Merry Christmas to me. How am I going to put this on? I have an excavator. I'm eating sausage rolls again. I'm not gonna lie, I have 0 to none experience with excavators. But I mean, first try, figuring out the handles. I should dig a hole first. Nah. Let's see how this goes. I got it in a pretty good position, but I just figured out I have it turned backwards. So the wind deflectors are on the wrong side. God dang it! This is some next level YouTubing, right? Subscribe, like this video. I mean, it's probably not the dumbest thing I'm gonna do in my life, but it's pretty close. gonna lie, this is this might be the most sketchiest thing I've ever done. It's good fun though, but kind of sketchy. Yeah. Yeah. What's that? I mean, that's not even that bad, right? I'm pretty sure some of you were laughing, but who's laughing now? Now, it's in place. Maybe I need to slide it a little bit to the left or the right. Going to be fine, but I turned off the excavator, and I know for a fact that that beam is that excavator is going down very slightly. And I think if I go home now, I come back, I probably have a crushed chimney. So undo the wraps and let's see how it looks. Now, I just noticed that there is no rubber ceiling or whatever between the roof rack and between my, what is this thing called? Gonna have some rubber between the gutter, let's call it the gutter, between the gutter and between the roof rack, and also down here, so it's not going to destroy any paint. The only thing we have to do is gotta test it out. Can I get on top? So yeah, this actually works pretty darn well. Wind deflectors for high speeds, bed liner on the roof, bed liner on the roof rack. Yeah, good times. Looking nice. Can I stand on these things? Oh boy. Yeah, buddy. Oh man, getting on is easy, getting off is like, ow, 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 ow. Oh. That's not gonna solve that knee problem. God dang it. And yeah, look at it. I mean, I am really satisfied with how the Jimny is looking right now. Like, bed liner, tires, forged motorsport exhaust, intake, roof rack. It's almost time to do some more camping. Enough of the yabba yabba yabba. Let's take it outside and let's get a closer look to how it looks. Closer look to how it looks. Anyway. Let's go outside. Yeah, that is the Jimny. Now, let me know in the comments what you guys think. Love it, like it, hate it. You can't hate it. I mean, you know, it's a Jimny. Can't hate a Jimny. Can't hate a Jimny? No, you can't hate me, but you can't hate a Jimny. Jimnys are so cool. Anyway, I am going to give it a little bit of red detail. Maybe like the towing hooks or something like that. I don't like it to be black on black on black on black. I always say, once you go black, you never go back. But yeah, it needs a little bit of color. Maybe a little bit of blue, maybe a little bit of red. I'm a Brabus fan. Brabus is more like black and red. So yeah, I think I'm going to go for a tint of red. I thought I was ready for today. I was going to close this video off, but there is one very important thing I almost forgot. So to all my friends, fans, I just got an email saying I got 10,000 subscribers on this YouTube channel, and I'm very pleased with that. So I really want to thank each and every one of you, all of my subscribers, fans, friends, and skull. Peace, drive safe, don't drink and drive, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. There's some good stuff.